Thanks for joining me for another Byte of Tech. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to locate and subscribe to the IT status page. By subscribing, you'll be in the know and get notified when services and tools you utilize are experiencing downtime or are scheduled for maintenance. So let's get started. Now that you're on the district homepage, you have a few different options for locating the status page. In my opinion, the easiest way is just to scroll down and find a link at the bottom of the page. It'll open up a new tab where you can subscribe to updates, view current issues, have a link to submit help desk tickets, view past uptime, as well as any scheduled maintenance. Now that you've had a quick overview, let's show you how to subscribe to the updates that are important to you. Click the blue Subscribe to Updates button and you'll notice that there's various ways to subscribe. Today, we're going to cover the email and text notification option. When ready, go ahead and enter your email address and click Subscribe via email. You'll notice a CAPTCHA comes up that has you complete a task to verify you. Once you've completed that task, you'll get a notification to check your email inbox to confirm your subscription. Here's an example of what that email is going to look like. Remember, if you don't confirm your subscription, you will not receive the notifications. Once confirmed, you can select the components you'd like to receive notifications for. By default, all components are selected. You can customize this based on your needs, and we have a variety of different components to choose from. If you'd like to customize your notifications, you can either go through under each main category and select the ones that you don't want to receive notifications on, or you can click this button to select all and then select none. That will clear all selections and allow you to go through and request updates just for those tools and services that you utilize. Once all selections have been made, you can go ahead and click the Save button to save your preferences. You'll receive a green confirmation at the top of the screen once those preferences have been updated. Now that you know how to subscribe via emails, let's go ahead and show you how to subscribe to updates by using text messages. Go ahead and click the Subscribe to Updates button, then find the phone icon. Once there, go ahead and enter in your phone number, and then click Subscribe via text message. Then you will follow the CAPTCHA on screen, make your selections, and then click Verify. Once verified, you'll receive a text message to your phone asking you to confirm your subscription. Remember, just like the email notifications, if you don't confirm, you will not receive any updates. So go ahead and confirm that text message, and then you have the same abilities to go and select the components that you would like to be notified on. Once you make those selections, you can go ahead and click Save at the very bottom of the screen, and all your selections will be updated. You are now in the know with both text and email notifications, so be sure to share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest content being released.